Disclaimer: the video you are watching is not the full course video. This is only a demonstration from our AWS training program. The purpose of this demo is to help you understand how our trainer teaches and to check whether the explanation style is clear and easy for you to follow. If you find the teaching helpful, you can continue learning with our complete course.
Hello and welcome. Now, we are going to start practical. We will understand AWS practically. You may have one question that, okay, but how you will perform lab? Do we need to purchase anything? No. All you need is one laptop or desktop computer. Now, if you want to perform any labs, if you want to use any services from AWS, you can do this. But for this, you have to create AWS free tier account. AWS is providing free tier account for 1 year, but with some limitations. And when you are going to use AWS, you have to take care of these limitations. We will perform every practical. We will take care about free tier limitations, and we will never use any paid services over there. But you have to delete your resources that you are creating because there is a limitations in this particular account. Now, how you can find out these limitations? So if you go to this pre-tier account website of AWS, and if you scroll down over here, see this pre-tier account is for 12 months, right? Some services are always free. They will provide you detail about each and every service. For example, if you are using EC2, you have 750 hours. If you are using Amazon S3, you have 5 GB storage for 12 months. If you are using Amazon RDS, 750 hours. You will get most of the resources free, but the only thing is you do not need to cross these limits, right? For example, if you cross this limit of 750 hours of EC2, you have to pay charges. I will tell you how we can set budget. So whenever if charges is going over there, okay, you will get mail and you can delete your resources. Now, if you want to create free account, you must have credit card or debit card with international transaction enabled. You must have Visa or MasterCard or American Express card. Indian Rupee card is not acceptable over there. Now, they are actually getting detail about your credit card or debit card for verification only. So, once you will enter detail, they will verify the validity. Maybe they will deduct 2 rupees and then you will get it back within 1 or 2 days. They will never deduct money from your credit card. Even if you will get bill, right, you have to pay this by clicking over there in the pay button. There is no automatic deduction of payment, so you don't need to worry about this, right? Now, first of all, you must have one email account. It can be in Gmail or Yahoo. Second, you must have credit card and debit card. Credit card, debit card must be from Visa or Master or American Express. And then we can start creating our AWS account creation process. So, make it ready. If you have international transaction enabled or not, you can find it out from mobile app of the particular company's credit card, and you can also enable from the mobile app as well. So please verify this and then come with me on the desk. We will create free account. Thank you very much. Coming on the desk.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.